how to earn money on Instagram. Welcome to Fast Fix. So for today's video, I will tell you one of the best platforms in the market today, and it's called Instajet.io. Well, here on Instajet.io, you can get some influencers right here, and they can put your ads in their Instagram stories, and also you can be an Instagram creator and get some advertisers so you can earn more money. So here on this video, I will give you some insights about this Instajet so you can have more knowledge about this or can help to manage this Instajet.io. So you can just go on the Google Chrome or any internet browser you often use and go right here Instajet.io, and then you will find this homepage right here. Now as you can see, it says buy ads on Instagram stories directly from influencers. So it is a all-in-one influencer marketing platform, so you can find, you can pay and collaborate with Instagram creators around the globe. So you can find right here actually all the well-known influencers with your niche, and you can find them right here on this page. And as you notice right here on your screen, you have some numbers right here. For example, 16,000 plus are new users on this platform, and we have more than 8,000 bloggers verified manually and 161 successfully completed orders. This site is very friendly actually, and you can explore it right away. You can find any informations right here. So for example, we just find here, now we're scrolling as you can see on your screen, and need to find this title, which is the how did it work. And here it is. Well, you can find influencers, top up balance, recruit influencers, check and approve, and measure your campaign right here. Then if you scroll down, you'll find influencers help business grow. So introducing customers to the product, make integration that tell you how to use your new product or service. So you can use that influencer to introduce your product. So that's basically an ideal for us. And then the second one, increase brand awareness, which help to increase mentions and memorability of your brand. And finally, attracting traffic to the website, attract your subscribers to go to your resources and perform targeted actors. So you just click this run ads and you can start to introduce your product with these well-known influencers right here in this Instajet.io. And many are saying that it was a good experience to them. For example, this one testimonial, the service saved us a lot of time and effort as the process estimated and understandable. We are pleased with the catalog where you can find bloggers for any product. And of course, I appreciate safety. Instajet.io works transparently. If necessary, the personal manager helps on any issue. Instajet for me is the most convenient tool. So as you can see, uh, he is one of the member right here who give that testimony. And if we click this one, you'll find more and you can have some information. And here at the bottom, you can say ask a question. You can contact them or send them email and get some info about this Instajet.io. And if you have a question, so you can just contact them right here, the contact number and the email. So to get started, all you need to do right here is to sign up with your account or your Google account. So let's jump right in on the top page, and you will find sign up in the right part of your screen, and sign up in Instajet, so you can put your email and password. Once you've done, you can now go here on influencers catalog. So right here, you can just check right here all the influencers. As you can see, bloggers, more than 8,000 right here, depending on your niche. So you can find all the well-known influencers right here. And actually, you can filter this one. And if you want a specific niche that you want to find out or find influencer with, so you can add a advertisement to them to post on their story. So here on the left side of your screen, you can see filter and categories. You just use this one. So you can filter your search, and for example, I will choose this beauty, and then as you can see, all the influencers that with a beauty niche. So as you can see, I just want to find some best influencers right here. You can use this application format if you want some for example, female. You can click this female right here, and if you scroll down, you'll find audience and location. So for example, here on this location, and if you want a specific location, you just click this plus and find the country. So for example, I want to find on Australia, and you can put right here the audience. For example, top countries, select country, I will select Argentina, and then top cities and top ages, so between 18 to 24. So that's the age range where they many viewers on their videos or any stories. So you will find these results right here, and you can see these influencers. I want this one. So if you want this influencer to advertise your product, all you need to do is just click this card icon, so you can add them up right here, and then you'll find this logo or icon. You just click this one, and you will find this card. So here, just find here the influencer that you choose, and then if you click this top up the balance, you will find the payment methods on how you can pay this influencer right here. So for example, click this bank transfer, and just complete the details right here to have a or to add an account. So for example, you want some payment systems, bank transfer, so issue an invoice, top up amount, payer's address, contact information. Just complete all this one, and then you can click this create, and that's how you basically start where you can make our ads on their Instagram stories. So that's how you basically earn the money on Instagram using this instajet.io. So it's very useful. You can check this website right here to find out more. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to notify you on our next tutorial video. So this is a Fast Fix channel. Thank you for watching, everyone.